Okay, I didn't realize, but this foam rubber is a peel and stick situation. The plastic on the back was just to peel it. So I did use some contact cement, and then I peeled it and stuck it so it's on there really good. And I even took a piece and made it thinner and put that there to kind of bring it out a little bit more. So that should be tight on the bumper. So I'm ready to put that back on. Now I am going to put some straps in here, so there'll be one here going into the bumper and one maybe here going into the bumper. And we shouldn't hit anything behind there, and I don't think we'll hit anything behind here. So I'm going to use screws that will not go through much at all. And then we've got to figure out what we're doing here, but I got some ideas and we'll go over that after I do some testing, but got to get it on there first. Okay, I think it's ready to go on. Let's see what we got.